What if someone told you that you could see the entire evolution of American farming in just 10 machines? From the crude iron beasts of the 1920s to the GPS-guided giants of today, every decade has produced one tractor that defined an entire generation of farmers. But here's what's fascinating. Some of these revolutionary machines nearly destroyed the companies that built them, while others saved entire farming communities from bankruptcy. One tractor on this list was so advanced for its time that farmers thought it was fake. Another was so simple that it's still being built today, nearly unchanged after 80 years. We're about to take a journey through 100 years of American agriculture, and each stop reveals not just a machine, but the story of how America fed itself and the world. From the first affordable tractor that replaced millions of horses to the modern marvel that can harvest a field while the farmer sleeps at home. Some of these tractors cost more than most people's houses today. Others were so cheap that desperate farmers bought them with borrowed money during the Great Depression. But every single one changed farming forever. This isn't just about horsepower and hydraulics. It's about survival, innovation, and the relentless American drive to do more with less. By the end of this video, you'll understand why each of these decades produced the exact tractor that farmers needed most. Let's start our journey in the Roaring '20s, when farming was about to change forever. 1920s, Fordson Model F, the horse killer. The 1920s belonged to Henry Ford, and he didn't just revolutionize cars. He revolutionized farming. The Fordson Model F wasn't the first tractor, but it was the first one that ordinary farmers could actually afford. Priced at just $395, this machine did something no tractor had done before. It made economic sense. Before the Fordson, American farms relied on 25 million horses and mules. These animals ate 1/3 of all crops grown, consumed enormous amounts of land for feed, and required constant care. The Fordson changed everything. It could plow, disc, and harvest without eating a single grain of corn. But the Fordson had a dark side. It killed more farmers than any other tractor of its era, not through mechanical failure, but through operator inexperience. Farmers who had worked with gentle horses suddenly found themselves controlling a mechanical beast with no mercy for mistakes. 1930s, John Deere, Model A, Depression survivor. When the Great Depression hit farming communities, manufacturers expected tractor sales to collapse. Instead, something remarkable happened. Desperate farmers realized that mechanical power was their only hope of survival, with smaller profit margins. The John Deere Model A became the lifeline of Depression-era farming. Its styled design wasn't just about looks. Those smooth curves reduced manufacturing costs while creating an emotional connection with struggling farmers. For the first time, a tractor looked like hope instead of just a tool. The Model A introduced hydraulic implement control, meaning farmers could adjust their equipment without stopping. This seemingly small innovation increased productivity by 30%. The difference between profit and bankruptcy for thousands of farm families. 1940s, Farmall M, the war hero. World War II created an impossible situation for American farms. Millions of farm workers had joined the military, while the demand for food skyrocketed. The nation needed more production with fewer people. International Harvester's response was the Farmall M, a tractor designed specifically for wartime agriculture. It featured the first practical 3-point hitch system, allowing one person to do work that previously required 3. The M could handle any implement, from plows to cultivators to mowers. The government bought thousands of Farmall M's for the Lend-Lease program, shipping them to allied nations. These tractors didn't just feed America. They helped feed the world during its darkest hour. 1950s, Ferguson. TU, 35. The Comfort Revolution. The 1950s brought prosperity to American farming, and farmers demanded more than just power. They wanted comfort. The Ferguson TO35 introduced features that modern farmers take for granted: a comfortable seat, enclosed operator station, and smooth hydraulics. But the TO35's real innovation was its electrical system. Previous tractors used magnetos and hand cranking. The TO35 had a full 12-volt electrical system with push-button starting, headlights, and electrical implement control. This tractor represented a psychological shift. Farming was no longer just about survival. It was becoming a modern profession that deserved modern equipment. 1960s, John Deere 4020. The Perfectionist. No tractor is more beloved than the John Deere 4020. Introduced in 1963, it represented the perfect balance of power, reliability, and versatility that farmers had been seeking for decades. The 4020 six-cylinder engine produced 95 horsepower, enormous for its time, while its synchro-range transmission offered 16 forward speeds. Farmers could match their speed precisely to their work, maximizing both efficiency and quality. But the 4020's greatest achievement was its reliability. These tractors routinely worked 10,000 hours with minimal maintenance. Many are still working today, 60 years later, testament to engineering excellence that modern manufacturers struggle to match. 1970s, Case IH 2590, the giant Awakens. The 1970s grain export boom demanded bigger tractors, and Case responded with the 2590, producing 185 horsepower from a turbocharged V8 engine. This machine could pull implements twice the size of anything from the previous decade. The 2590 introduced four-wheel drive to mainstream farming. Previous tractors pushed implements. The 2590 could pull massive tools across any terrain. It represented American agriculture's shift toward industrial-scale production. 1980s, John Deere 8650, the survivor. The 1980s farm crisis destroyed thousands of farming operations, but it also produced the most advanced tractors ever built. The John Deere 8650 offered 290 horsepower and features like power shift transmission and computer-controlled hydraulics. These tractors were expensive, but surviving farmers needed maximum efficiency to remain profitable. The 8650 could work twice as fast as previous machines, while providing unprecedented operator comfort and control. 1990s, New Holland Genesis. The cab revolution. The 1990s focused on operator environment, and New Holland's Genesis series redefined what a tractor cab could be. Climate control, stereo systems, and ergonomic controls made 12-hour days not just bearable, but comfortable. The Genesis also introduced electronic engine management, optimizing power delivery and fuel consumption automatically. Farmers could focus on their work instead of constantly monitoring engine parameters. 2000s, Case IH STX Steiger. The articulated beast. The new millennium brought factory-built, articulated tractors like the Case IH STX series. These machines produced over 400 horsepower while maintaining maneuverability through articulated steering. GPS guidance became standard, allowing precise field operations and automated steering. For the first time, tractors could work accurately in fog, darkness, or dust storms. 2020s, John Deere 8R series. The computer on tracks. Today's tractors are computers that happen to farm. The John Deere 8R series represents the pinnacle of agricultural technology, with GPS accuracy measured in centimeters, automatic implement adjustment, and remote monitoring capabilities. These machines can plant, cultivate, and harvest with minimal human intervention, Some farmers manage their operations from smartphones, monitoring multiple tractors simultaneously, from the simple Fordson that replaced horses to the computerized giants of today. Each decade's signature tractor solved the exact problems farmers faced. The 1920s needed affordability, the 1940s demanded productivity, and today requires precision and efficiency. This evolution continues accelerating. Autonomous tractors, electric powertrains, and artificial intelligence promise to revolutionize farming again. The 2030s will undoubtedly produce tractors that make today's marvels seem primitive. Here's what I want to know. Which of these 10 legendary machines shaped your farm or your childhood memories? Did your grandfather swear by that indestructible John Deere 4020? Maybe you grew up watching your dad fight with a temperamental Farmall M, or perhaps you're operating one of those computerized 8R giants right now. Tell us in the comments which decade's tractor impressed you most, and if you've got scars, stories, or sweet memories with any of these iron legends, we want to hear every detail. And listen, if you want to keep exploring the machines that built America, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. We're diving deep into agricultural history every single week. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Speaking of next week, we're exposing the biggest tractor failures in history. $1,000,000 machines that promised everything but delivered heartbreak. These disasters will shock you. Remember, every revolution in farming started with someone brave enough to try something completely new. These 10 tractors didn't just change agriculture. They literally fed the world and made modern life possible.